Hey, my name's Mark Bishop. I'd like to thank you for checking out this BLOX review. Now, you may have come across or heard of BLOX before. You may be wondering exactly how it works. Well, in this quick review, I'm going to show you. And please try to watch it all the way through. Thanks. The BLOX system is a method that I use myself on an almost daily basis. Now, everything is based around one block, so your subscribers will need one self-hosted WordPress blog. The process works by pre-selling something I call a magnet. And let me just show you. I click here and see I have a number of posts here, and if I just click this one here, you can see that this is a pre-sell post. Now, the magnet, it's covered in the course how to source a magnet, but essentially it's something that you or the user controls. And what this means is that you can pre-sell that magnet so people are interested in getting hold of this particular method, whatever it may be, but you're not actually promoting any specific affiliate product. Now, what happens is they'll click this button here and they'll go over to a trade-off page. On the trade-off page, they'll be told what they need to buy in order to get this product. Now, it's a very simple system, but it's a system that I've used myself since November 2017, and I've been able to top leaderboards, multiple leaderboards in the space of 18 hours, because you're not promoting one specific product. You can switch over the product that you're promoting at a moment's notice. It really is as simple as that. Now, the knock-on effect is all of these posts help build authority. So they build authority into your blog. Nothing black hat here. You don't have to build any backlinks, but what you'll find, or what your users will find, is that these posts will start to rank all over Google, Bing, Yahoo, whatever, which essentially turns your blog into an evergreen passive income. So posts from my site are ranking all over search engines, and anybody that uses this system and does it the way that I explain or train them to do it is going to see the same impact. Now, this isn't all about having a list. I explain how to drive traffic to these posts in the training, but now let me show you some of the income I've been able to generate using this system. Now, as I've already mentioned, I use this process a lot myself. I use it because it makes my life very, very easy. It means I can switch between promos. I don't have to do reviews or anything like that. I can just switch over, tell somebody what they need to buy in order to get the magnet that I'm offering, and then they'll purchase. Obviously, not everybody will, but anybody interested in the magnet that I'm offering will purchase the product that I recommend in order to get that magnet. Kind of a carrot and a stick approach, which will work really, really well for pretty much anybody that uses it, because you don't need authority, you don't need to be a big name in this industry, you don't need to have a huge list. As I say, the traffic generation is included within the training. I wanted this to be a complete system. But I'm going to show you some of the income shots, just a couple. There's an awful lot of them. If you want to see more, simply ping me and ask me. I've got a ton of them, but just to keep this short and to the point, let's just show you a couple of them. So you can use this on absolutely any product, any price point. Obviously, the magnet that you offer has to kind of resonate with the price of the product that you're asking people to purchase in order to kind of get your magnet. You can see here that this is one vendor on one day, 38 sales, $357.48. So you can see all of this is derived from using the BLOX system. So that's one day, $357, 38 sales. I also use this on Warrior Plus as well as JVZoo, and of course JVShare. Doesn't really matter which platform you use. You can see here that this is a product called Commission Drill, and this was a 1 week period. So kind of an evergreen passive thing. I just let this particular post run. And you can see that I also mailed this one, and you can see that the conversions are much higher because I'm actually filtering traffic through. So you can see blog 2 denotes that these sales came through my blog, and you can see 21 sales, $300 or just over $300 achieved there. Now, again, there are a ton of screenshots, videos. I can take you inside. I can show you exactly how much I've made with this system, but I think you get the gist of it. This is a system that I use myself. It's a system that absolutely anybody can set up and run. And of course, the knock-on effect is each time you do this, you're compounding the authority. People will find your blog, they'll purchase through your link, and they don't have to know you, don't have to be on your list, which essentially means you can make money from these posts passively without ever doing another thing to them, which is very different to the normal approach. Normally when you promote a product, you do a review, so you'll put up a post specific to a specific affiliate offer. As we all know, these affiliate offers, they're popular for a short window in time. So all that hard work you've put into that post can be wasted pretty quickly. With this system, you're promoting your own product or a product that you control, i.e. the magnet. And you can do this forever. The only changes you make are on the details page, and you can change the recommended product in literally seconds. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it's shown you exactly how BLOX kind of works and how it may work for you. If you are interested in this product and you want more details on it, click the link underneath this video.